I'm just going to start off with the smallest one here. This is the passport size traveler's notebook. I use it as an everyday carry, but I don't use it every day. I don't take it with me every day. I have a flip through of what's inside and I will link it down below. But here is my passport size, and in here is just a snapshot of my monthly calendar and a blank insert and just some random things. But that's one. Next in the size up is my Hobonichi techo, and I'm using a Lady Falcon Traveler's notebook cover in the pink, and I absolutely love this color so much. It's perfect for spring. I've actually ordered one more from her and it's going to be here soon, and I've been really bad with my no spend, but that's another whole story. But I've been trying my best to use it on a daily basis. I've missed a couple of pages, but yeah, and I've also filmed several more Hobonichi techo with me type of videos, so that's coming up. So this is for my Hobonichi techo in the A6 size. Next size up, this is my junk journal, and this I absolutely love so much. I purchased this cover secondhand, and it is a Sojourner. I will leave the link down below. But yeah, you can see the little marks and things because it was secondhand, but I just couldn't pass this up when this came up on the Facebook group. I absolutely love this leather, this special, I don't know what it's called. It's a special kind of leather. But yeah, this houses my junk journal and I absolutely love it. I will not let this go for sure. But yeah, so this is my junk journal. Now here is where I really want to maybe put everything into one place. I have two traveler's notebooks. I could probably downsize to one. I don't know, this is my dilemma. I'm really enjoying the Narita edition regular size. It fits really nicely. It's I don't know how to explain it. It just fits really nicely and it's compact. It's not too bulky, so I'm scared that if I put this one notebook in here, it's gonna get too big. So in here, I have my, I don't know why I have two. I have two of these plastic folders. You can see here I have two. And I've flipped it upside down, so that the zipper is on opposite ends, like it's on opposite ways. But anyways, I have two inserts. This is my vertical weekly insert, which I absolutely love as well, and I'm going to definitely keep. I've been doing this for quite some time now and I loved it. I started it last year, this vertical insert, and I'm loving the small snippets, like small journal snippets of the day. It just gives me a bit of a break during the day if it's like 5-10 minutes. So I'm going to keep this one for sure. This, I suppose I could remove and keep it elsewhere, but I love to be able to journal in here once in a while. It's just a regular blank insert, and this insert came with this notebook cover, and that's why it looks a little bit different here. I don't know, I guess with this I feel like I can add a lot more color, or I feel like when I want to add color and things, I gravitate towards journaling in here. And then this is more of like memory keeping and printing out photos of just random things, whereas this one is more of like events or specific like places that we've been to. I don't know, I'm not sure. And this is more of like a colorful journal, and this is not as colorful, but I'm not sure. This is where I'm confused. I don't know if maybe I should remove this and stick it somewhere else. I feel like if I stick it somewhere else, because my place is so small, I store things away, and then if I store things away, then I don't use it because it's not within my arm's reach. I have my husband's gonna hate me, but I have my traveler's notebooks all like lined up on the edge of the dining table there. This is my dining table, but yeah, I have it all lined up on the edge there. So now this one, I use this for my work. This has like, you know, important information, and I suppose I could put this one in here. I'm trying to locate a cover that's big enough for that. I don't know if I guess I could put it in here, but then I feel like the balance is gonna get all weird. Maybe I can put it in the front. This is a really random, I don't know. I tried doing the morning pages in this format, and I absolutely love the paper in this stylogy. So I tried doing some of the morning pages. You can see there. I love the texture of the paper after you hear that, the crinkling. But I'm not using this on a daily basis. Sometimes when I really want to write down some notes, or I want to get my thoughts out in terms of work, sometimes I feel like this format is too small, and I kind of go into here. I'm enjoying the A5 size, but I'm not using this on a daily basis, so I suppose I could take this out. This is a Muji calendar. It's like that. It was on sale. When did I buy this? Last month sometime. It was on sale for 300 yen or something like crazy like that. This one actually starts in this one started in September of last year, and that's why it was on sale. But I love this. It's just really simple. I can't really show you my my pages, but I fill it out, and I like to be able to look at it like a snapshot view. Like, it's just so big, and I write my to-dos for the day, and then I write my to-dos for the week here. It's just really, really nice. It's really nice and simple. And on the monthly section, I just kind of keep track of the videos that I've posted up, and I like using the monthly section for that. It's nice to be able to look at how often I post the videos. I filmed a whole bunch, and it's like I look at the calendar and I see, oh, I really need to post soon, so I have to get editing and things like that. But I like this monthly view, and it also has a weekly view. Unfortunately, because it is from last year, this calendar will only go up until I think September. Yeah, so I'm not sure what I'm going to do then, but there's still several months in advance. But that's my dilemma. I'm using too many traveler's notebooks. I feel sometimes it's a bit overwhelming. I might just kind of pull this out and put it in here and see how that works. But at the same time, I just really enjoy traveler's notebooks. So at the same time, it gives me joy, like just handling them. I know for sure these three are must. My junk journal is a must. I also love the weekly in here, the weekly journaling, or the daily journaling in my weekly insert. This is for work, so I need it. But these three are a must. These two, this one I don't use on a daily basis, and this is my Hobonichi Techo. I try and journal on a daily basis, but it really doesn't work. It usually ends up being like a catch-up on one of the days. I try and catch up for several days, so I don't know. How many notebooks do you use, or how many planners are you currently using? Do you feel like it's too much? I know I always challenge myself at during July for the one book July challenge, and I always end up going back to using multiple planners. I suppose if it makes me happy and this is what I like doing and this is what I like to use, then doesn't really matter. It's up to me. But just sometimes I feel like it's a bit much. But anyways, so that is what I am using for 2018 as of right now. I know things will change in the future. I had this one. This is kind of off topic, but I was using it. I was using the junk journal in the Roadrunner. This is a gorgeous, gorgeous leather as well. Yeah, it's gorgeous. But yeah, I received this as a second-hand purchase, and I fell in love with it. And maybe I'll go back to that one once I finish. Or maybe I'll go into another one once I finish this junk journal, which I feel like it will be soon. Actually not too soon, but I'm always like every day I'm like flipping through these pages and I'm just like looking through, my kids like looking through the photos and things like that too. So okay, I think I've rambled long enough. I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you are using for this year or what you are using for 2018 and 18 spring. And I think I hear my daughter, so I'm going to go. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye.